Welcome back. And in this video series, we would be learning how to install a theme, a plugin, and how to make a pages on our WordPress website. My interface might be a little different from your interface because I have already installed a lot of themes and plugins on my website. So what is a theme? A theme is basically a tool or an option which helps us in designing the page more efficiently. In order to install a theme, we just need to go to this appearance section, which is on my left hand side, and you can see out here is the theme. We just simply need to click on this theme option, and on my website already there is a DV theme which is pre-installed. So if you want to add a new theme, we can click on this add new, and can choose among the list of themes which are present out here. Suppose if you're having a theme in the form of a zipped file which you want to upload on your website, or you have purchased a theme, so that would be present in a form of a zip file. So in order to upload a zip file, a theme, you just need to simply click on this upload theme button, and it will be asking you for the file. While uploading a theme, never unzip the file. The theme should be uploaded in the zipped format. Even it is written, if you have a theme in .zip format, you may install it by uploading out here. So you just simply need to click on this button, choose the theme and install. Once the theme would be installed, the features is automatically implemented on the entire website. Now, in order to install a plugin on our website, we just simply need to scroll down, and just below you can see there is an option of plugins. So what is a plugin? Like if I talk about a cell phone, a mobile never comes with a pre-installed features like WhatsApp or Twitter or Facebook. We need to externally install some application on our website so that we can use those features on mobile. So similarly, if we are installing any application or any kind of different application on our website, it is called as a plugin. So in order to install a plugin, we just simply need to go here, and we need to click on add new. After clicking on add new, we would be getting an interface something like this, where there are hundreds and thousands of plugins which is already present on this interface. If you need to search certain plugins, you can simply put the keyword or the name of the plugin out here, and it would be coming in front of you. Suppose again you are having a plugin in a zip format, just like theme, you can simply upload your plugins also from here. You just need to click on upload plugins, and you need to choose the file which is present on your local drive and upload and install the plugin. In the next video series of ours, we would be learning how to make a page on our WordPress website.